You guys, it's been a long day. As you can see, I have on my smock. Let me give y'all a quick little recap. Whew. So this morning I woke up quite early for it to be a Saturday. Bless you. I woke up quite early for it to be a Saturday. I went to the beauty supply store with my mom to get this hair color because we were coloring her hair today. Then I went for my morning walk. After that, I went to the beach to do my morning reading and journaling, which was so beautiful, so relaxing. Then I came back here and got a little bit of work done. I cleaned up my social media pages, unfollowed like over 200 people on my Instagram, which was beautiful. Definitely needed that. I'll probably go back in tomorrow and unfollow a couple hundred more. I'm basically at a place right now, like I've shared with y'all how I'm like in the middle of a rebrand, but along with that, I just been thinking for a long time, like, you know what, a lot of my growth, or I should say the hindrance of my social media growth, has a lot to do with me and a lot to do with the people that I follow, in the sense of I create my own environment, right? I create my own algorithm. You create your own algorithm. So if you don't like something on your social media pages, you can change it. And what I noticed was that I was following a lot of people that just doesn't serve me or support me in any way. And I'm at a place in my journey and in my life where if I can't get support from you, because how should I say this? Me, the type of person that I am, I support people. Like, I naturally support people, but I don't support them with expectation for them to do the same. What I'm saying is, if I notice that you never, ever support me and I always support you, it makes me question your character, your intentions, your motives, even when it comes to me, and if I'm even valued as much as I value you. And in that sense, it pretty much goes along with me pouring into their cup all the time and they never have water to fill mine. You feel me? So it's a lot of people that I didn't realize it was that many, but it's a lot of people that I've kept around that fits that category. They just don't support me. And I'm not asking them to. I just noticed that they don't. So I'm going to go ahead and scoot them out the way and make room for the people who do find my pages, do connect with my content, and do naturally want to support me, because that is energy. Like, let's be real. It's an energy. If you are operating off of a frequency where you're not giving but you're always taking, you don't need to be around me. Because for me, it's reciprocation. I operate well with reciprocation, whether it's from you or not. I just know that when I give knowing that I'm going to receive. Does that make sense? I don't know. I hope that makes sense, because I don't want it to sound like I am only doing it for the sake of receiving, because that is not what I'm saying. But if you know what I'm saying, then you know what I'm saying. It's like you just notice things. And I'm just at a point where I'm not settling. I'm not settling for the mediocre. I'm not settling for the bare minimum. I'm not settling for excuses. I'm not settling for anything that does not serve me, does not belong here, does not align with me or my vision. You're out of here, period. I don't care who you are. I don't care what relationship we've had. I don't care if we know each other outside of social media. I don't care if I see you every day. I do not care. If you are not supporting me in my endeavors, you're out of here. So I don't remember how we got on that rant. Oh, I was telling y'all how I was cleaning up my social media. Boom. Okay, clean that up. And then after that, I colored my mom's hair. Had some curry today. It was really good. Then we went out, ran a few errands. We went to the storage. We went back to the beauty supply store to get some things because she said she wanted her hair to be rotted. So we went to go get the supplies and stuff. And then we stopped by another store to get some beauty products. It's currently 9:34. I rotted her hair and she's currently sitting under the hooded dryer now, which she got today, and I'm so happy because I've been wanting a hooded dryer so I can do more styles and sit under the dryer to do those styles. So I'm so excited for that. But she's sitting under the dryer now, and I still got my smock on. Once she get out of that dryer, I'm gonna take her rides down for her, or I don't know, she might sleep in it, we'll see. But I said all that to say tonight I am going to take a bath, a nice bubble bath. I'm going to do a nice skincare routine, do my eyebrows and stuff, like just do like a nice self-care beauty routine, beauty night routine. Does that make sense? I'm taking care of myself tonight, a nice little Saturday self-care type of vibe. But overall today was beautiful. The weather was beautiful. I just had a beautiful day. I'm feeling really good. I'm feeling really relaxed. And yeah, I didn't pick up this camera today because I just wanted to be very present. So that's why I'm just doing a recap with y'all. But y'all, I was just thinking about it earlier today when I was editing my other video diary episode. Y'all, we are so close to being done. I think I have what, 20 or 19 days. 19 days left, I think, y'all. Yeah. Wow. I'm so excited. We'll do a final countdown when we get to like 10 days out. We'll do a countdown. So much has occurred. But I hope y'all are doing well. I'm excited. Tomorrow is Bobby's birthday party, so I'll be going to that. I'm looking forward to it. I actually need to try on my dress to make sure it fits right. Make sure the whole outfit look good. But I have an idea of how I want to do my hair and everything. Even the content that I want to create. So looking forward to that. But yeah, I will chat with y'all later. Today was a good day. Bye.